Everyone who's watching me from the TikTok, you can go visit link in bio and find the YouTube live stream, so you will see the whole chart picture. So I'm waiting for you. Also, I want to say thanks to everyone who's supporting me, who pressing likes, subscribe, who putting comments. Thanks to everyone. We're starting in the 90 seconds on the YouTube link in bio. For those of you who's been watching me right now on the YouTube, we will start in 1 minute and 20 seconds. So thank you very much. Appreciate your support. So anyway, I'm doing this all by myself. That's why all I'm asking from you is your support. Thank everyone from the TikTok. Please visit link in bio. You will find our YouTube channel. Then you will find the whole live stream, or you can just consume information from TikTok. It will be way then enough for you, because today we're going to talk about the crypto market, the stock market, and we're going to talk about what's going to happen with Bitcoin. 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Cause we are living in a material world, and I am a material boy. Hello everyone, thank you for coming. Thank you. First of all, thanks to everyone who's following us. Thanks to everyone who's supporting us. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your likes. Please let me know, press plus or like whatever you gonna send me, like any emoji if there is the good quality of image and sound. For those of you who's watching me from the TikTok, I'm inviting you to our live stream on the YouTube channel. You can find the link in bio. So thanks to everyone. I'm trying to see your pluses. Give me some pluses, because I need to know that everything is good and we can start. Pluses. Artyom, thank you very much. Thank you for your support. Lera, thanks to everyone. Please, a little bit more. Yeah, okay, like a few more. All good. So thank you very much. First of all, I'm doing these live streams once per week, and all other information I'm giving to people in TikTok and inside our Telegram channel. So you will find all links in bio. The second thing that I need to say to you, my followers, I'm not giving any kind of financial advices. Me and my team, we are trying to show you what we are doing with our assets, what we are doing with our money, where we invest, when we buy, when we sell, when we're trying to make profit. So that's why, please, I'm begging you, don't send me your positions. Don't ask me either you should buy Ripple right now or you should wait, where you should sell your Ethereum, or hey bro, I just bought Ethereum for $3,700. What should I do? Is it going down or up? Please. If you want to support me, if you want to show me and our team your support and your love, write a comment. But it doesn't mean that we will reply to your comments. And one more thing, there's too many scammers. You know, like you can buy the fake iPhone, fake headphones. You can even buy fake Porsche from China. So when somebody doing something really good, there is always gonna be people who trying to copy that, who trying to scam other people. There is the fraud, there is the scammers, there's a lot of people who trying to use our nickname, our brand, my face, my name, my photo, my avatar, like whatever. We are living in the worst time, where is too many deepfakes, too many people pretending to be someone. Like, for example, I'm the manager or assistant of Andrew. No, the only way to contact us is go through the link in bio. You will find Telegram channel, you will find Instagram, you will find TikTok, you will find all other social media. So we will never text you first. We will never, like literally never. I don't care what you like texting me. I don't care what you text into comments like, hey dude, how can I? I will never do this like by my own. I will never text you. So please, if you're watching my videos, if you are consuming our information, if you're trying to trade or invest with our help, only you can text me first. I will never give you WhatsApp. I will never give you Telegram. I will never give you like whatever, any kind of other contact information, email, or like send me the pigeon letters. No. Too many people texting me that they've been scammed. They've been like, I sent my money, I invest my money, I did that. So please, people, I'm always telling to, we're not doing copy trading. We're not asking you to send us money. We're not helping you to invest. No, control your money by yourself. So first of all, I want to talk today about the things that I posted earlier in the Telegram group, and I will show you. I will show you that, and we will try to quote that. So let's go to our Telegram channel and read it out loud. About the whale position on $300 million. So I woke up today at 6, maybe 6:30 a.m. and I received too many messages from people like, hey dude, you saw that guy open that position. Yes, everyone who's interested in that see that position. And right now this guy plus $600,000 in non-realized profit, and he's already paid $253,000 of funding. You should understand what funding means, what fee means. So this guy already opened the short on Ethereum, and we're gonna talk about that. So I write a post earlier today. Thanks for your precious information. I'm always trying to tell to people everything that you can consume from the media, everything that's are in the free access. For example, exactly the same live stream which you are watching right now, like on the TikTok, on YouTube, or whatever, you're gonna watch it like weeks or months after it's gonna happen. All free information are meant to be to put you somewhere, to give you some kind of thoughts, to give you some kind of like, am I right? Am I wrong? So you need to think when you're consuming information. But as I said, thanks to everyone who sent me this precious information, but I don't ask you about that. I'm not interested in that. I'm not watching news. I'm not reading X, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. I'm not following anyone because I have my own brain. I'm trying to explain to you that you need to do the same. Yes, the worst thing in the world that you can do is not following the news. I'm not telling you to do what they are telling you in the news. For example, there is too many people who's been vaccinated, yeah? For example, because they told you to be vaccinated. Then they said that, oh, I'm sorry, there is what like, I'm sorry, yeah, sometimes it's happening. But I try to think a little bit more. I try to think a little bit, like look a little bit deeper, wider. I even sometimes turning around and asking myself, what do I see right now? Who telling me that? Because the systems work exactly the same in any reason. So today, early in the morning, when I woke up and I was doing the same live stream for Ukrainian people, I was trying to tell them like, hey, so there is the trader blockchain is the free and opening to everyone. You can like see who did what, like who opened any kind of trade, who's closing, selling. Like you see the offers, limits, trades, whatever. You see everything. Especially everyone could follow like whale wallets. So the next thing that I wrote here, that was few questions. Why they are showing it to you? Why everyone are talking about this? Why everyone reposting this? And the main thing, why everyone thinking of the same position at the same take profits? So first of all, while I will continue, I'm asking you to please press plus if you saw that message, whatever media you're reading. Like today, if you heard about this position, if you heard about this huge short position on the Bitcoin, plus in the comment. The second thing that I'm gonna ask you, put 0 in the comments if you was start thinking about opening the same short position with the same take profits. And then we're gonna talk more. So I will check what you sent to me. Plus. I'm not asking you to send me minus, please. This is not like what I asked to you, because if I'm gonna see the plus, so too many people was only from you. I'm not telling to anyone about this position. If you read it about, if you heard about this right now. So, okay, no zeros, like literally no zeros. Nobody was thinking to open the short position. Nobody like in the shorts right now. I'm totally understand that you are totally bullish. You are like, oh my God, Bitcoin to the moon. Yeah, we are going higher and higher and higher. Like nobody. So 0, no to short, but always long. Okay. Get to the chart, please. I can ban you right now and you will go and register the new account. You're not in the concert. You're not in the movie. So shut the fuck up. Even if you put in the please, I'm trying to prevent other people from the big mistake that they are doing. So if you don't have time, just go do your things and come back later and just see when it's gonna be chart here. So the last thing that I wrote in the Telegram post, there is two kinds of ships in the world. Ship and ship. Do you understand that? But only one can be free. Because the ship, something that we are putting in our meals, something that we are wearing, or for example, the carpet from the ship, or the coat from the ship, or whatever is ship cheese, or I don't know, what do you do with the sheeps? Cute animals, yeah? But even the smallest dog, the Australian shepherd, the like whatever shepherd can manipulate the ships. I'm not talking about the hamsters. I'm not talking about anyone who's like trying to do anything in this world, because yes, sometimes ships are more clever than others. But if we're talking about the whales which are in the oceans, then we should talk about the ships which are in the oceans as well. And the ship can manipulate, can analyze, can kill, can cure, can do whatever they want with the whale. So when I was receiving that kind of message from you, I was like, yes, there is possibility that the price will go lower, because if you're gonna watch my previous, like maybe months in a row videos here, you will see all liquidity levels and you will receive all dates when exactly that pump and dump was on the market. So let's come back to the website and I will show you. Like, some guy sent me that and he said, you can literally just watch what's going on with this position. Like, everyone could see his orders, his opening positions and something like that. So earlier in the morning, there was $9 million here, and he opened the position on the 30 cross leverage. Then I realized that he put more liquidity in his wallet and he changed the position leverage on the 40. Then I started thinking about, what if something happening with that position, and this is some kind of perfect manipulation, perfect fraud, perfect news that appear and was prepaid. Because if some huge blogger posting that, it means that the huge audience gonna see that, and the huge audience will have doubts about their vision of the market. Even if that huge blogger, influencer are bullish right now, and he's not prepaid, he's just reposting the information from the internet, he start doubting his opinion, because position on 414, almost $15 million, this is the huge position. I saw millions of dollars in position. I once opened on the 10 leverage $1 million position in 2020. It was like $100,000 on 10's leverage. It's $1 million position. That was only once in all my trading history. So everyone's starting to talk about that, because few days or maybe weeks ago, we all heard about the guy who opened the huge short on the Ethereum. Then he opened the huge long when he fixed his profit. So that was something that looks like insider trading. By the way, we've been telling you about the all movement from 24th till 1st. From 1st we're going up till 6th. From 6th we're going down till 10th. And from 10th we're going up where? Yes, we're going to talk about this later. But all this information was here on the same live streams, on the TikTok, on the YouTube, or whatever platform you are seeing this video. So can I manipulate you? Of course. I can put you in any coins that I'm willing to sell to you, in any coins that are paying me for promotion. I can do whatever you want, because your attention is right now here. And I will really appreciate if you put the like button. I will check how many likes we right now have. So there is like more than 300 people watching, and only the half of you press the like button. So for me, this is disrespectful. Because when I'm gonna receive the huge amount of disrespect, I'm gonna put this fist inside the holes that you don't want to fill the fist, and I'm gonna open this fist, and it's gonna be the puppet show, because I'm gonna do everything that I want to do. Think about it. You show me respect. I'm showing you respect in advance. Think about it. So the last that you can do for me is like just subscribe, like, comment. If you love what we're doing, this is the last. So I was starting to thinking more and more earlier today for Ukrainian people. And I remember one perfect trade. Do you guys remember when the Justin's son, the guy who's developed Tron, TRX blockchain system, 20th of November, he buying the banana, which was stick to the wall. There was like literally even too many ads with that exactly banana. The Thor, the Chris Pratt from the Guardians of the Galaxy or Jurassic Park, the huge actors was promoting the meta glasses. So they was like looking at the same banana. I can put same banana on this wall and it will never cost $6 million. We've been talking about in the private group about like when you have the Mona Lisa, one piece in the world, you can put whatever price you want. When there is like millions and millions of Mona Lisas, who wants to put it on his wall? Who wants to put it in the office or whatever? Who wants to show it to their friends? No one. That's why Toyota cost as Toyota and Bugatti cost as the Bugatti, because there is a limited supplies. But it doesn't mean that there is only one banana which was like put it on the wall with the tape. No, But there is only one banana which was bought for $6.2 million by the guy whose name is Justin Sun. And he bought this with the crypto. Then in 9 days, 29th of November, he ate this banana. So basically he put in his stomach $6.2 million. Yes, I know that you can like put this money and said that I need to like withdraw it from my tax or whatever when you're doing some kind of like donations, or you buying something and you donate it to the museums. Like, I know how the rich people doing this, but still think about it a little bit deeper. If we're gonna open the chart of TRX and we're gonna see the 20th of, so here it is, 20th of November, the guy buying the banana, and all media, everyone was talking about this guy is crazy. Yeah, maybe, but the huge cryptocurrency pumping on 16.3% in the next 3 days. It's $1 billion in his pockets. Then, when he ate that banana, that was the second shot in his marketing strategy. The price of TRX, when everyone starts talking about that, pumping on 124%. So it gave him the huge amount of profit in 141% of new liquidity, new customers, new followers, whatever. If someone was in the long position with the 10s, 50 or whatever leverage, he made billions of dollars. He made millions of dollars. So I was thinking about, what if, this is just my opinion, I'm working with the Bybit for 4 years. I love them, I respect them, I appreciate them. I'm working like only with them because this is the good cryptocurrency exchange. What if the hack of the Bybit Ethereum wallet wasn't scripted? Yeah, for example, as we show to you in our private group, and I will show it to you here right now again. Let's stick to the chat. Motherfucker, how can one comment piss me so much? So if we're gonna go to the Ethereum, for example, and we go back to the 24th, yeah, 24th. So take a look. We post in our private group, please sell 21st of February. The post was made. The post was made, not 21st. The first post of that was 15th of February. You see that? 15th of February, here it is. This is not the text that you can edit. This is the fucking picture. This is the fucking screenshot. So, yes, the time zone is New York. So it's like 8 a.m. in the morning in California, where I'm living, where I'm right now. So 15th of February, we told people we're not giving 2 dates. We're not giving like, oh, either it will go there or you should put the stop order here. No, we're giving exactly the date, like the easiest way to do something. Like, we all know when our vacation, we all know when we have the meeting, appointment, dinner, or whatever. Somebody even know when they're gonna with their wives, like, because there is this schedule of, that's fine with me. Like, everyone do what they want, but so we're given the schedule on the movements. After that, 21st of February, we post Bybit hack attack is right at the time. And I've been telling you, like, I totally respect Bybit. I'm using the Bybit. This is my favorite cryptocurrency exchange. But they were hacked on $1.5 billion. This is the biggest scam fraud in the history of any financial cryptocurrency or bank system. So let's start thinking. What if somebody put in 9 or 10 or 11 million dollars in one position, paying for a few huge bloggers to promote that, paying to someone to give people some kind of doubts about like that the price will go higher. And yes, again and again, there is opportunity, and we're gonna talk about the opportunity of going lower, like basically right now, only after I'm gonna finish that story. And you putting all your customers on the Bybit or other cryptocurrency exchanges in the one particular trade, short from 84,000 till 67, 58, he has to take profits. And everyone, like literally every piece of garbage in the internet, posting exactly the same screenshot. So they are putting thoughts in the people brains, heads. Hey, if that huge wallet opened that huge trade, you can do the same. This is the lifetime changing trade. Let's go all in. And exactly on the Bybit, for example, this is some kind of crazy conspiracy theory. And exactly on the Bybit, there's going to be the sleeperage. Even if the price will drop to $62,000, $57,000, I'm sorry, your take profit didn't trigger it because there was no liquidity. Even if there is going to be the short squeeze on this exactly like any cryptocurrency exchange, this guy will close his trade by trailing stop, by whatever stop he's gonna use, or even if he's gonna be liquidated, and everyone will see this liquidation. So it means that everyone opened the short position, this guy been liquidated, everyone starts doubting this short position. So everyone starts to fixing their short position in the losses. So that means that the cryptocurrency exchange get the fee, get the funding, and get all other losses that's been realized in that exactly moment. And after that, the price going down. Or they putting you in the short position, they giving you, for example, $79,000, $77,000. You are in profit, but you're so much greedy. You're like, oh yeah, we're going to 62. On $58,000, I'm gonna fix that motherfucking $1 million profit. You call into your wife, you call into your friends, you call into your, like, I don't know, like whom, like the guy with whom you worked 10 years ago, and you know that right now he has the problem with the money, and you telling him, hey dude, you still have the opportunity to open exactly the same trade. All you need to do is put your money in that position because we are going to the bottom. And then after the price giving you $79,000 and you don't have any clue about the risk management, about how to fix your position partly, how to move your stop orders or using the trailing stop orders or whatever, like you don't know nothing about the risk management, and the price doing like, and you whoa, and you waking, like you going to the bat with, for example, 6 or 7 figures green P&L, and you waking up with the margin call. I'm sorry, Mr. Andrew. So basically there was happening something like the Trump was posting something about crypto and it pumps the price. Yeah. No. Basically, you don't have any much money. Yeah. You should go back to your work. So your life-changing trade collapse. Yeah. I'm sorry to hear that. Of course. Yeah. And there's gonna be people who's gonna took the loans. There's gonna be people who's gonna sell their cars only because of that news. And I'm wishing them the best. I really wish to everyone to close the biggest profit of your life for the next couple of days. But we're trying to think. We're trying to understand. why this news appear in all social media and every motherfucker been talking about this for the whole day, and maybe probably they gonna watch this position, they're gonna talk about this position, they're gonna like, oh, what's happening with this guy right now, let's take a look. Everyone who's watching me from the TikTok, just go visit link in bio and you will find the whole live stream on the YouTube. Thank you for following me. So right now this guy is in the $696,000 profit and realized losses is 253. I post the small screenshot where he was in probably almost $1 million losses, and also he's been in almost $6 million non-realized profit. So who cares about your position if you didn't fix the losses or profits? So let's talk about market. Let's talk about what's gonna happen next, and probably in the next few days, weeks, or even months, because we're trying to show you what behind the scene of the market. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your subscription. I'm gonna take a look again. So 337 people are watching, 230 likes are received. Not much, not much. But as I said to you before, only after I'm gonna receive 500 likes, I'm gonna do one more live stream. So maybe, probably on the next week, I will have vacation from the live streams. And I remember that we have agreement to talk about the how to be founded, and I will do that. Please give me some time. Right now, we all greedy. We all have the same fears, and we need to understand what's gonna happen with the price. So the best thing that you can do with your time, with your money, is put that in some kind of learning experience. Do not try to catch. We talked in Ukraine like he was trying to catch the god for the beard, like catch the god for the beard. Do not try to catch the god for the beard. Do not rush. Please try to understand. We have all our lives ahead. We have time for that. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. And we're gonna start from the daily time frame. I'm not gonna go higher. I don't want to do this, but all additional information will be posted in our private group. All information how to get access, like visit link in bio, link in description, whatever. So on the daily time frame, we're receiving the huge signals which are showing us, I will turn it off, which are showing us that that indicator will probably turn around very soon. I don't think that the price will go lower until 17, 18, or 19 of March. In my opinion, for the next couple of days, especially from the Monday, the price will go higher. But the first fixing point, the first point when you should consider to close your long position will be $86,000. It's something where you should think about it to putting the stop losses lower than previous minimum. Yeah, I know that's not everyone understanding what I'm talking about, but still you're trying to make money. And this is not something like dancing in the TikTok and like receiving the monetization. No, we're talking about something where you need to think about it before you do something. So when you're trading, when you're investing, and you're not trying to put responsibility on other people, for example, on us, when you're not trying to receive the signals or calls, because too many people asking us, hey, can I receive the signals? Can I receive the signal? Because we're doing trading every day. We trade like 4, 5, 6 positions per day. Sometimes they are going in minus, we are scaling them and fixing the profit. Sometimes they're like pumping in the minute and we're fixing the profit. So we're doing what we can do, but we're not giving any kind of signals. We're not giving any kind of financial advices. But the daily time frame also shows us our prediction model, our perfect prediction model, and you can get access to this model. We're going to talk about this a little bit later. So it shows us that the price from the middle of March, as we said to you, from the 9/10 of March, the price will go up, and it will go only up till the beginning of May. Remember that. The first thing first. So the price will go up till, for example, 0.3. One daily time frame. The price will go up, but inside of that movement, there's gonna be corrections. And you will say, hey, dude, it's not working like that. You cannot say the price will go up, but, because everything that was said before, but, doesn't matter. No, I can. Because on that one daily time frame, if you're gonna open the daily time frame and you're gonna watch the daily time frame, from the 9th, we are already going up. From the 10th, from the 11th, or whatever, like from the middle of the March, the price are going up. And it will go higher. Then, I will explain you. So if we're talking about that the price will go up from that point, for example, from $78,000, it means that if on the 5th of May or on the 31st of April, the price will be closed anywhere higher than $78,000, it means that the price goes up. And all your, oh, I wish to fix profit on $250,000. Oh, what if the price will be there? Leave it to yourself. Leave it to your children, because like when you put in them in the bed, you can tell them the perfect story about the prince who put all his money in the Ripple by $3.6, and he was dreaming about, oh my God, we're gonna buy the new castle and the princess will be saved. That's fine with me. That's your story. They will listen to your story. And they will believe in that because they are children. But then, when they start to realize how the price moves, when they start to realize how they manipulate the price, when they start to trust the indicator, your children will call you and said, hey dad, do you remember that day when you tell us about the Ripple for $3.6? Yeah, so I just basically moved back on 20 years and I just tried to read the chart. Did you ever consider to like pass the test on the extra chromosomes? No? That's fine, that's fine. Do you know where can I change my last name? Think about it. But that's fine. The worst thing that you can do to yourself is not to do anything. Your mistakes is your experience, and you can get the profit from any mistake if you start to realize, if you start to work on your mistakes. So what's happened? Give me a second. I don't know. Oh yeah, everything is good. Everything is good with TikTok. I don't know why my screen go dark. So everything is good. Thank you very much. Thank you for all your likes, subscription, comments. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it. I'm doing this for you. So when you start to realize how the price works from the different time frames and how the lowest time frame affect the highest time frame, you will start to think different and you will start to act different. There's going to be the new pattern of your, як буде поведінка? Behavior. So you will start do more right things than fixing the losses, moving your stop orders, putting too much in one trade, forgetting to close position when you're receiving the profit, or like whatever, etc. So the daily time frame shows us that we're gonna receive the correction. It's definitely gonna be. So how it works, when the yellow line are in the upper part of the channel and it's turning around going down, the price going down as well. When we're receiving that kind of turnaround, or especially we're receiving the green or red crosses, it means that the next candles will be impulse. If we're receiving the green cross in the lowest part, so the price definitely gonna go higher. it means that we're gonna receive the huge pump. If we're receiving the green cross in the upper part, it means only the next candle or the next few candles will be green. So this is the daily time frame, and it shows us that the price will turn around and go a little bit lower. How we can understand when? First of all, you can get the strategy and you can use any kind of strategy, except please, I'm begging you, not using the technical analysis because it's not working. Everyone in the world for the last 200 years, realize how the technical analysis works, so it means that it wouldn't work. Yeah, sorry for that. So you're going on the lower time frame and starting to realize how the price moves, what gaps, what order blocks, what high, low, like whatever you see, you put in this everything in the one basket, or you just using the algorithm and it shows you that on the 4-hour time frame, my friends, as we said to you, only by 4-hour time frame, analyzing from 21st the price going down, from 1st the price go to the up till 6, and then we are going down till 10. So we are receiving that kind of signals, and you all had the signals. Just go back on 2 weeks of the live streams and you will see the same words, and then the price moving up again. So we receive everything that I said, and especially the price go exactly to the marks which I put here. So today, when that mark works perfectly here, on the other, for example, if we're gonna take a look here, there's zones, and you will find all these zones, how I put them, how I write that, where and when the price will be in that zone. You will find everything in previous videos. So just go and watch that and you will see how I was doing that. And our favorite small dick pattern, which was made like before 23rd or maybe before 21st of February, I put and I said like the price will be here. So when I'm putting the horizontal line, it means that this is your take profit or limit order on opening position. It means that the price will definitely gonna hit that level. If I'm putting the vertical lines on the chart, it means that you're receiving the date when it's gonna happen. So when you have the limit order and you exactly understand when it's gonna happen and the price going toward your limit order, but it didn't trigger your limit order, it means that the date was right, the timing was right, but the analysis of the mark of the limit order was a little bit wrong. It doesn't mean that the price, especially on your cryptocurrency exchange, should be there where you expecting that, because too many people expecting the price there. Why are we receiving that kind of things here? So our small dick pattern was showing that the price will go lower, then the price will bounce back. Everyone was gonna be dreaming about $105,000, but you see, everyone will dream about that price, but the price will turn around, and from that point, from the 6th of March, the price will turn around and will go lower until 10th. You see, until 10th, we hit that price. So if we're gonna get back on the chart, which we are talking about right now, and we're gonna try to understand what's gonna happen next. Because, wow, hey, dude, you was legit, you like said it did, like, oh my god, take my money, no matter whom I'm speaking, even to the fake account, took my money, yeah. So if you are watching us and following us, for example, for 6, 5, 7, 10 months, it soon will be 1 year while we're doing this in English, because for 10 years we've been doing this for Ukrainian people in different languages. Yeah, I'm from Ukraine, but I know Russian and I spoke Russian because Ukrainians are hateful person who's hating me for Ukrainian language because I moved from the Ukraine, and like, who cares? I'm stopped doing the same things, the same live stream for them. So if we're gonna open the 4-hour time frame and we remember that yes, the price was at the bottom on the 9-10 of March, and the price from that point going up, we're not using the trading filter, we're using only that filter. It shows us that the price will be on the peak from 18 till 20 of March. Why I'm putting 2 dates which given us like 18, 19 and 20? The only reason for that, because too many people following me and they was like, hey, you said that the price will be there. When you was telling me to buy at the beginning of September, at the beginning of October, and then you said 4th and 11th of November, I thought that the price will be lower on the 11th of November when I didn't vote on the 4th. And now I miss every move. But why you don't vote on 11? Even if you miss the one day. That's why I'm giving people dates and I'm telling them like the easiest way to be profitable without any knowledge is to wait until you receive the huge red candles on the 4-hour time frame, then buy. That's it. Either buying on the previous lows or just wait for the candles. That's it. Like, you're waiting for your McDonald's burger. You're not screaming on them, hey, I want it right now. I want it right now. I love you, my baby. Show me something. Nice. And by the way, you will find the link on our private channel with my girlfriend. Links in bio. I'm joking. Yeah? Because I love it. I love it. I love to show people what's gonna happen. I'm trying to show you that come on, just go back to my main Instagram, go back to my main YouTube channel and see how my life was like moving from 2011. I start growing and I will never go at the job, like never, literally just the TikTok will ban me for that word, so just skip it. So I'm giving you the period plus minus 1 day. So if I'm gonna put that mark here on the 19, it means plus minus 1 day, 18 till 20. So this is the easiest thing to understand. And why I'm giving you that kind of period. Only just because we need to wait until that yellow line will be in the upper part of channel and it starts to turn around like that, like that, like that. You see when to sell, here or here. So if we're gonna put the mark here and the mark here, this is the distance, the timing where you can catch the movement only with using our yellow helping indicator. It really helps when you're trying to trade or invest. When you gotta buy? Only when the yellow line is in the bottom. So it means that if we have the mark here, you need to buy here or here or here. And then you're gonna receive that movement, and especially that movement. It works perfectly with any time frame, with any assets. But why we're giving you that date? And please remember that this guy could possibly, like the huge possibility that he gonna be liquidated in the next couple of days if he not gonna fix the small profit or even the huge profit because he put too much money in the trade, or if he not gonna put his stop orders. And I think if somebody like trading for $10 million of March, it's stupid to not just use stop orders, to not put stop orders in the break event to your entry point or whatever. But as I said earlier to Ukrainians, what if this rich guy are in the middle of divorce and his wife will took half of his money, and he pissed off about that because she was like to his neighbor or his brother, and he's like, I'm not giving to to that bitch like even the penny. And he putting all his money in the short position, and he thinking, if I'm gonna make profit, then I'm gonna, for example, if I'm gonna double my $10 million and I need to give her only $5 million, then I'm not gonna give her half. I'm give her only quarter of my assets. And if I'm gonna be liquidated, then fuck off. I will make more profit and she will stay where she is right now. What if this guy is like some kind of like crazy kid who was pissed off from his father because his father didn't give him his Lamborghini for the weekend, or his father said, no, I'm not allow you to like marry this girl. And he was like, okay, I have your seed phrase. I will move your coins. I will trade your USDT, and we will see who are bitch. Because if he gonna make profit, he will withdraw the profit and he will leave his father. If he gonna make losses, then he will show to the father that he's not the person with whom you should argue. You should respect your kids, no matter how old are they. So it's the matter of the situation. And just try to realize, try to like imagine, what if here on that place will sit the Hollywood script writer. He will do the crazy TV series show about that trade. So basically we have, just imagine, two guys, they are, do whatever you want, like ask ChatGPT, what could be the reason of that trade if the person are mentally ill or if the person has some kind of health issues. For example, the guy just realized that he has a cancer and he was like, who cares about money? If I have 6 months, I have money to spend. But if I'm gonna do double, triple, or like x5 of that in one trade, I'm gonna live the best half of a year in my life. We don't know what's happening there. But all we know that the price will definitely gonna go higher. If you're gonna ask me if it's possible that the price will do something like that, I will tell you yes. Of course. Yes. There is not such a thing as people texting me, hey dude, we will never see Bitcoin lower than $100,000. Ripple short? Are you crazy? Oh my God, guy, you will lose all your money. And I love the perfect comments. So I'm gonna do like opposite from his words. Who cares? Who cares?
You know what our friend said yesterday?
What? I will tell you, the Sonia asking like, did I know what our friend said yesterday? What, who? Okay.
Do you know that Bitcoin will be 800,000?
So our friend told yesterday that Bitcoin will be $800,000.
Almost a million.
Almost a
10
million.
times more than that.
Yeah, and
In like 2 months or by the end of the year.
he said that?
Yeah. Yeah, but are you kidding? He's like, no, like for real, I can hit that. Okay.
Yeah,
What do you think?
there's too many people who's texting me, especially like my friends, my like whatever who, my neighbors, my childhood friends, my schoolmates, my classmates, even my driver, my ex-driver from Ukraine doing crypto right now. So this is the perfect thing to move forward, to trying to realize something new. But as far as I see from some of my friends, especially my American friends, they are thinking about crypto.
My question was like, you said nothing is impossible.
Yeah,
You never actually
yeah.
know what's gonna happen. But does this sound like it
Is there
can
any
happen?
possibility
Yeah.
that Bitcoin?
There's always. But
You think so? Your question is: there any possibility to? So the Bitcoin price will rise to $800,000 in the next couple of months
yeah.
by the end of the year.
Yeah.
Zero possibility. Zero.
Why
I can
saying
put
that?
all my money. I can
So-
put my kidney. I can put like my balls on the plate.
Why he was so sure
It's like when I was starting doing the TikTok, I said that if the price from the 4th of November wouldn't go higher, I will shave my head. Like I will walk around bald. I was putting my word to 10 followers, to 1,000 followers, to 10,000 people who's watched this video. And there was like literally too many people who saw that. Then I said opposite thing. If the price wouldn't go lower, I will shave my head again. I can bet my car. I can bet anything except like literally money, because I made a promise to my father that I will never put money on the bet, on the sport or whatever casino. Oh my God, TikTok. No, 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 no. Like immediately, they send me restriction. Yeah, crazy algorithm. You know, today Instagram blocked my picture since 2016, where I'm holding 2 puppies, and they was like, we are deleting this publication only just because this is something like you trying to sell puppies. I was like, I need to appeal. It's crazy.
No, but it's same thing with me. Even if you appeal, you still like.
Yeah, I know, but like, who cares about social media? If I'm gonna be banned, the only person in the world who gonna be in the losses, it's you. And just because you're not following the other channels and you're not supporting with the likes, because that's how the social media works. If you like in person, if you like trying to help person, reposting, following, etc., commenting, the Instagram, TikTok are promoting that content. So if I'm gonna analyze the words of my friend, he said like literally in the next couple of months we will see $800,000. No, guys. I think that it's impossible to be even on the $200,000 until 2028. It's impossible. It will never happen until maybe even 2029. And for those of you who's been following me for a while, you will say this guy been telling us about the huge corrections since the middle of December. This guy been telling us about the huge pump since the summer. All you need to do, even if you don't try to realize how we're doing that, just copy trades, not our advices, because we're not giving advice. Copy trade our thoughts. Try to analyze that. So, is it possible to go lower? Of course it's possible. Where? Not lower than $80,000. This is the first thing that I'm gonna try to tell you. Why I'm not deleting that red line? Why I'm not deleting that zone? Only just because, in my opinion, we still have the huge possibility, and I've been telling you about this for a month. Yes, we have the huge possibility to go lower, even lower than $60,000. And that guy will fix the biggest profits in the world, probably. Like, literally, he gonna receive the invitation from Warren Buffett, like, hey, dude, did you do that? But if it's gonna be manipulation, I will. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I will do something. Like, I will think about it, what I'm gonna do. So if we're gonna write, so I'm gonna delete that line of selling point. You've been told about that before. That line of selling point, you've been told about that before. I'm gonna even delete. I'm not gonna delete anything else. So we have that high, and the price will be there before the end of the year, but we will never see in 2025 Bitcoin higher than $150,000. I even do not believe in $120,000. I can like set like 114, 115, because they need to put price somewhere there where people start to posting like, we are going to the moon, yeah. So my friend will call me, did you see, did you read, did you watch, did you hear? And I will ask him, did you fix? Why so many people are worried about if I'm read something, if I'm watching something, if I'm thinking about something? Be worried about your money. Be worried about fixing profit more often than you fixing losses. That's it. This is the basic of any trade or investment strategy. So what I'm waiting, what I'm expecting from the Bitcoin, and we are moving forward to, I'm not gonna talk about Ripple, Ethereum, etc. I'm gonna talk about the stock market today, as we talked about that 2 weeks ago, and I will show you how it works, how we predict the huge market crash. Peace. You know, I think that I deserve for a shutout from everyone. Like, hey, this guy legit. I saw a few days ago on the TV, the algorithm of TikTok showed me that kind of video. There is the TikTok lady who's like doing the live streams all the time at the TikTok, and she was like literally just talking about the news, who signed what, who said what, where the Ripple will go, where the Dogecoin will go, and like the stupidest content in the world. But she's beautiful. She's like the grown-up woman, and she's doing her best. She's trying to like raise money from the TikTok, from the all ads that she receiving, and especially maybe she was like even doing trades. But as far as I understand, nah. She just selling some kind of information, that's it. So she was invited on the live of the ABC News, and I was like, what the fuck is wrong? Why? Tell me, please. They are showing that girl to other people who's watching that right now, like literally like people from the age 30 till the age 70 gonna listen to the girl who at the back, for example, I have the laptop, the screen, the camera, that's what I have in my room. So she has the same thing in her room. So she has the Baby Yoda Grogu toy behind her back, and she talking about the crypto. So she's basically just consuming the news and putting them by her words in your ears. And she has 200,000 followers, and the guy who's like literally giving you non-financial advices, he has 30,000 followers, and that's fine with me. That's fine with me. The less people know, the more money we have. Yeah, guys, let's stick together. Let's move to the private groups where we have like 100 people. Yeah, we need to put here the Grinch who stole the Christmas. Why not? I'm the owner. You consuming, you asking, who cares? The dates. The price will go higher, as we said before, as you've been told, till 19 plus minus 1 day. Then the price will drop till 23rd of March. Remember that, 23rd of March. Today is 16th of March, the price will go higher till 19 plus minus 1 day, then the price will drop. Why I'm not giving you any kind of like plus minus 1 day when the price will drop? Only just because the bottom here are 9 a.m. in Los Angeles time zone. So the next candle will be still 23rd. So I'm pretty sure that the price will be on the lower bottom from 23rd till 23rd. Like just wait for the huge red candles. Then after that, the price will go higher till 28th of March. Then I'm making order for my mother birthday. So 11th of March, my father birthday, I ordered the huge dip. The next order of the dip will be on 31st of March. So the basically main thing that you see that 31st of March. You see down here, the date. So this is the 31st of March, this is the 1st of April. So that's what the price will do. Going up till 20, going down till 23rd, going up till 28th, going down till 1st of April. Then we already have that. So the algorithm showing up that from the 1st of April, the price will move up till 2nd. Then we have another bottom on the 4th or 5th of April. But please, those of you who's thinking, who don't have any kind of additional information and knowledges and experience, who's like, oh, so he said that the bottom will be on the 1st of April and the next bottom will be like probably 4th or 5th of April. So I will wait until 5th of April and I will buy more. What if that's gonna be the bottom, but the price will be lower than the second one? So what if, I will try to explain you that. I will try. What if we're gonna have that marks here, yeah? We have that marks here. So the price will be somewhere here, yeah? For example, then the price drops on the 1st of April, then it pumps back till the 2nd of April, and it drops till the 4th, but $60,000 is higher than, it's almost the same, $61,000, almost $62,000 is higher than $60,000. So it means that that bottom should not be lower than the first one. And as far as I'm telling you, each month we're receiving the huge signals at the first week of the month. So almost a year and a half, every first week of the month, we have the correction. They are holding you for the stupid donkeys. That's it. Not many people realizing, not many people are going back forward or whatever. They don't do the back test of the strategy. They don't try to understand, okay, if the train moves by the circle and going back at the same station, at the same day, at the same time, why the price cannot do the same? It doesn't mean that this is the strategy which you can use. But still, if you realizing that every first week of the month, of the next month will be the dip, just hold your money. If you're willing to buy on the 27th of months, just wait until the first week. That's it. You don't need any kind of indicator. You don't even need to follow us. Just, that's it. When it's gonna stop, try to understand why it stops, what was changed, when the next dip will be repeated time after time. Yes, I understand you need to spend time to analyze that. It's not easy, but still it's way more easier than, hi, yeah, it's Tony, what can I do for you? So you want to offer the double penetration? Oh, okay. How many of you? 3 people? You said double. Okay, he gonna watch. Okay, what's your address? Nice, see you later. It's way more easier than do like 9-5 job. I'm telling you that. I was there. I know that. Not easy. Zero happiness. Like if you play the Sims game Sims, like the guy literally walking around with the clouds under his head, like,
can you put me to the swimming pool and like delete the letter? Yeah, I want to die in the swimming pool.
So I know that I'm funny. It's really easier to talk with people when you're doing some kind of like funny shit. So that what indicator shows what's gonna happen with the price. Could it be changed? Yes, of course. This is the forecast. Let's take a look. For example, let's take a look. Forecast weather. So we're receiving the forecast. I want a bacon. Thank you very much. So we have 10 days forecast. Let's do the screenshot. And we will take a look in the 10 days how it's gonna change. So we are giving you the forecast, and yeah, I know that the accuracy is the precious, like always on the top. But still, if we're gonna talk about the next week, it's easy to figure out what's gonna happen. If we're gonna talk about the next months, like from the 9th of April, the price will drop till 16th of April. Yeah, you see that? That's not something that I'm trying to Як буде вигадати?
Make up.
I'm not trying to make up this information. I'm trying to like show you what we see. And this is the only thing that you will receive from me today on the crypto. Only the Bitcoin, no total, no dominance, no USDT dominance. That's way than enough information. We already sitting here for 1 hour and 10 minutes and I'm telling you thank you. And if I'm gonna check how many people like this video, there's still gonna be way less than are watching right now. But still we're doing great. 312 likes. Thank you very much. All other, please write in the comments what's gonna happen with their parents. I'm joking. I don't care what's gonna happen with your parents. I'm wishing them like the best pension in the world. I'm wishing them the best children in the world. I wish that they have chance to see you every week, to talk to you every week, especially if you like inviting them on the Coma Lake or you just asking them to, hey, whatever. Who cares about parents? We need to care about ourselves. We didn't ask them to and bring us to the world. So this is the 4-hour time frame forecast, and I will repeat it to you. The price from today will go higher till the 19th plus minus 1 day. Then the price will drop till the 23rd of March. After that, the price will go higher till 28th of March and will drop till the beginning of April. Yes, of course, from the first week of April, we will see one more pump up. Maybe it's gonna happen till the 2nd of April, but only just because this is the forecast, it could be changed on something like that. And we will receive only one date. That's why you should follow us. That's why you should stay tuned. That's why you should like show us respect and support our channels, because if I'm not gonna receive in love, I'm not gonna give it back. That's it. I'm the guy who will come first. If you wanna, let me know. Oh my God. Thanks God my mom didn't watch that, but she was watching my Ukrainian channel. It's way it's way more terrible than that one, because like then Ukrainian, Russian is my native languages and it's way more easier for me to like making jokes. After that, from the first week of April, we are pumping till the 9th and then are going down again. But please, let's go back to the daily time frame. And that's what happening on the daily time frame. That's what happening. The price are still moving higher. The price should go higher. I know that we are in the bearish trend. I know that. I know that price way easier move lower. But in my opinion, they are putting that fear, that kind of like thoughts, even with that trade of this guy who's like, oh, I opened that big trade. He's in $5 million profit right now. Oh my God, the huge profit. He's doing great. And I'm wishing him the best. I really truly believe that. I didn't open that short position. I skipped the short position. I'm in the long position. Moreover, I'm in the long position on the Bitcoin right now. And that's fine with me. I'm wishing to everyone profit. We will see how it will end. So in my opinion, the price will go higher till the April. And after that, as I said to you before, as I said to you like months and weeks before, I think we will receive one more pump in summer, and at the end of October, at the beginning of November, this is going to be the end of the cycle. Maybe the price will be lower than $100,000 before that, and we will stick to $100,000. Maybe the price will be on the $91,000, or who cares what the price will be. They need to sell Bitcoin and put all this money to the altcoins. We're giving people too many things. For example, we're giving people that kind of limit orders. Take a look at this. We're giving people the mark when to buy and the zone when to buy. And especially sometimes we're given the yellow marks, which are shown here as the limit order. So if I'm gonna go lower, this is the dot. If I'm gonna go lower on the atom from the previous live streams, from the like any live stream in the private group or in the public group, you will find the same yellow mark here on the atom and the same date. Like we've been talking about the 10th of March for the months before. We said like no matter what asset you're gonna buy, everything will pumps back. So That's some kind of limit orders. Take a look at this, $39. I was doing the live stream for Americans, for people who's using English language as the international language to understand, because not many people understand Ukrainian and Russian. And I was literally doing the live stream 13th of March, and I was telling people, hey guys, $39 for the compound, this is like crazy cheap. Then the price moves up again and again. The Pepe coin, for example, the Pepe coin, you see, we didn't hit my limit order, but I was buying here and I was telling to people that I'm buying. The same with the Dogecoin. It hit my limit order. It hit my yellow line and I made the profit. But the most precious thing which we are been sending to people is the Ton coin. And I will show it to you right now. So let's do the Ton coin. So here it is what's are happening today, but let's go back to, for example, 24th of February, the Ton coin, where we set to buy it 9th of March and 26th of February. So if the people will go, what they're gonna see, 26th of February, where is that? 26th of February. Here is the price, and the 9th of February, here is the price, 9th of March. So the middle buying point, that's why we're talking to people like, hey, just split your budget and put where we're telling you. So if someone bought here, not here, not here, not somewhere there, you are in the perfect buying point. And then I sent to my friend, and I sent all the screenshot from the our conversation to the public group. I sent to my friend the limit order on the ton. So that position gave 35%. And even if you're gonna buy the half here, you will have that entry point. And then they telling us Pavel Durov was released and he are flying from the France to Dubai. Oh yes, that ton are pumping. How do you think his lawyer, who knows everything before it happened, he opened the long position on the ton? How do you think the lawyer who was in the France in August or September when the Pavel Durov was going to the jail, did his lawyer open the short position? Did his office short ton or just buying the dips? Think about it. That's how it works, especially here in the United States. So I think that's waiting enough to talk about. Oh, by the way, the Pepe coin. I told you, yeah, I bought it by market. It didn't catch my take profit, but still, yes, there is the huge possibility that the price will be somewhere like 0.0013 or 0.04. There is the huge possibility about that. But let's talk about something more interesting. Let's talk about what you can watch in the previous videos on the YouTube. I'm not often talking about the stock market, only just because I don't care about the stock market. I'm not investing, and I know that this is the big mistake, but I'm like too young to invest in the stock market. But I know if I'm gonna start investing right now, even $100 per month, I'm gonna be way more richer and wealthier in 60 or 70 years. But I better do way more profit right now with my cryptocurrency, and then I'm gonna reinvest. And you will ask, when you're gonna reinvest? And I will tell you. Because, for example, with the S&P 500, we can take a look on the monthly time frame. And it shows us that there is not the best years for stock market ahead. So our monthly time frame showing us that the price, which are going lower here, will turn around. Then it's gonna do one more pump. And after that, we are going lower. So it means that the price can do something like that. And then we are going lower. This is the monthly time frame. I do not believe that the price will go higher than $6,100. Like, we're not gonna put new all-time high in the next couple of months. Even if we're gonna go there, we're not gonna fix the monthly candle because the structure was broken. And we need to wait 15 more days. If the price wouldn't be closed higher than this, that's the bad signal for stock market, for S&P 500. But if we're going to talk about the prediction model, take a look at this. Let's skip the trading model. Let's stick to the prediction model. It shows us that, hey, Andrew, just put the small reminder on your phone to invest in the S&P 500, to invest in S&P 500 somewhere like 29, 30, like in the 5 years or in the 4 years after today. Why? Because we have that bottom. When we're gonna invest, I will show you on that bottom. So even if I'm gonna catch the trade, the swing trade on the S&P or whatever stock, if I'm gonna put calls on the stocks, I will wait until that filter will be in the lower part of the chart. So I will show you how it works. Lower part of the chart going up, 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 higher upper part of the chart going down. What happened with the price? 3 months of the downtrend. What happened with the price from that point till that point? Take a look at this. From that point till that point, the price go down. Yes, there was still movement up that we can catch on the lower time frame, but still, when I'm telling you that the price are here, so the price are here, then the price are here, it's 17% movement. I know that the best entry point will be here on the lower time frame, but still 17%, it's a good movement. Then the price did what? Goes up. That's what it make. So that's why I will probably wait until the 1 month time frame will turn around here, then I will catch this movement up. But on the lower time frame, who knows, maybe I wouldn't live in 2030, yeah, who knows. But the next bottom before that, and I will stick to that plan, because I truly believe that the price will crash. Oh, by the way, take a look how the bearish divergence work on the higher time frame. Take a look at this, the red cross, take a look at this, red cross, take a look at this, red cross, movement, movement, movement. That's always working. So in my opinion, the price will bounce back. It wouldn't go lower than $5,400, but still it will bounce back somewhere to $59, $600, somewhere there. So in my opinion, in the next couple of weeks, we will see something like that. But then we need to realize, like, okay, you said that the first buying point will be in the summer 2026. And I've been telling this since October. You can find the TikTok video when I'm talking to the guy and I'm telling him, hey, if you're gonna skip selling at the end of the December, at the beginning of January 2025, then just wait until the summer 2026 and buy more. So you're gonna scale your position, you're gonna get average price on your position, and then you will sell your crypto or whatever in 2028, 2029. So from here till here, you see that? From today till 26, we are going down. After that, we are going up till 28. Easy. Like, the easiest thing in the world will be to read description, to read guide, to watch some kind of video, how to put on the IKEA table or like whatever, how to use everything that. But people still always trying to ask questions, even if there is like guide or whatever. So easy. Call Warren Buffett. Tell him that he can wait until summer 2026. But it will be too long to wait. Like, of course, if somebody sold his assets, he fixed the profit, especially profit. And in my opinion, those of you who's been buying S&P or whatever stock or whatever crypto before 2024, you are in profit. That's it. It's the only reason why you didn't fix that, because you are greedy and you are truly believe that the price will go even higher, and you like don't understand how to scale, how to get average price, when to fix, when to like. That's fine. You are in the perfect place when you're gonna realize, but it's not gonna happen fast. We are not trying to do the fast content. We're not trying to like give you some kind of do that, fix, spend, repeat. No, I don't care. I love to talk. And I love like when people applauding me. Thank you very much. So I'm narcissist. Yeah, I am. I said it. I said it. I mean it. I said it. I'm here to represent it, or how you say that in English. So it doesn't mean that we want to wait so long, because the price will turn around and will go up. So it means that before that movement, which is going to happen in the year in the half, the bottom, we can get the bounce back of the price. That's why we can move on the daily time frame. That's why we can move like somewhere else. And that's why from the previous live streams, we've been talking to you and we've been telling you that the price will drop. That's it. This is the perfect linings. Perfect. Let's delete that line. Let's even delete that line. We don't need that line anymore. It's already down. The movement was made. That's the perfect crazy movement on 10%. Delete, and even I can delete that line, but no, I will not, because yes, we have that movement till the end of May. You see, if I'm gonna put it here. So if you didn't vote on 11th of March or you didn't vote on the last week, you have tomorrow. What's gonna happen with the price tomorrow? Who gonna tell me? Who? You? I will tell you. That movement should be. So it means that you can catch the bottom. Where that bottom will be. For example, easy. Let's try to understand. That bottom could be here. I truly do not believe that the bottom will be here in the next couple of days before 11th of April. But I want to tell you one thing. The price of S&P 500 would definitely be here. Would definitely need to do the huge 40% movement of the correction. And that's only 17%. So the price will even hit that liquidity in the nearest future. And in my opinion, yes, it's possible till 2026. It's possible. Because it's gonna be like the healthy normal correction of that kind of crazy movement. That's fine. But too many people will choose, okay, we are in the downtrend, that's fine with me, I see the red, I see the blood, I will wait. I wouldn't buy more, I will wait. That's fine with me, I don't care, do whatever you want. So that's what's gonna happen with the price. The price will go a little bit lower from the next week and then it will bounce back. Let's talk about the Nasdaq, and you will find exactly the same things, like exactly the same things before it happened here. Like the live stream was how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 weeks ago. Go on the YouTube channel, watch the 3 previous videos, and you will find exactly the same thing when I was putting that mark, even that yellow line, even that red line. 3 weeks ago. Just show it to your father and said, hey, this guy knows something. Show it to your boss. Show it to somebody who you know. Let's imagine that you are the mafiosi who owns casino, for example, or you own any kind of business and somebody owes you money. Tell him, hey, could you please follow this guy and do like everything that you are doing in your life, you just putting the money on the table, but with his non-financial advices? Maybe it will help you to solve your like debts. Or do it if you own somebody money. I'm not telling you that you should close your debts with the help of the trading. This is the craziest thing in the world. And especially, please never took credit to buy crypto. Never do that. This is the risky investments. You should understand what you're doing. But if you're gonna go 3 weeks back, you will see all this movement was predicted. And where the buying point was here. I don't know what the fuck is the yellow line? Maybe this is the daily time frame. No, the daily time frame is a little bit at the beginning of April, so I would consider not buying right now, but still that movement from the 11th of April till 20 of from 11th of March till 20th of March, that's the good movement. That's the good profit if you know what you're doing. So just think about it, to wait until the beginning of April. In my opinion, first 2 weeks of April will be huge for Nasdaq. This is not financial advice, but it's gonna be like oh my god. Yeah, that was huge. That was really a huge movement. That was really, really good trade. That was really perfect. Closing your position, fixing the profit, buying back for the less lower price, and it means that you're gonna buy more. What was happening with the Tesla and what's gonna happen next? Yeah, you know, this video calls, we told you, so it means like if you are following us, and thank you for following, that we have 7,000 people in Telegram channel and more than 4,000 people here. So it means that people appreciate our information. People want more. But if I'm gonna wake up in a bad mood, or you piss me off, or I'm gonna say like, hey guys, today is the date, and from now on, you're gonna pay $10 for each live stream. We are the goats, we are the kings. We are here to tell you the rules of this game. Either you playing in your courtyard or on your backyard, or you playing with us. I'm not telling that we are the professionals. No, we are not on the Wall Street, because we can't do that there. The Wall Street appears not to help you to earn the money. It appears to took your money, put it in the assets, create liquidity, and to tell you by the phone, yeah, Mr. Harrison, yeah, we probably should wait 5 more years. Yeah, you will pay 5%, yeah, for each year, yeah. Yeah, from all your deposit, yeah. No worries, yeah, it's definitely go up. He's truly believe that it will go up. Yeah, crazy. So yeah, no, the Wolf of Wall Street, it's like, it's literally the totally like the fairy tale. It's never, no. I will, yes, I baptize your children. Yeah, I will never do that. Okay, see you. Yeah, 1st of July, see you, jerk. That's it, that's how it works. We cannot work there because we are honest people. That's it. I will never do some kind of that shit. So please, stop texting me, hey dude, how much you will take to promote our coin? So we have the oh my god, today lady, like, what, she has 115,000 followers on the TikTok, and she has literally like 0 views on the videos. So she's like just made up all these followers. She was like, how much you will take to promote our brand, our project, our coin? We live here in Dubai, and yeah. Even if you're gonna offer me like $50,000, I will not. I will take your money, and I will tell you, you know that I think I pass. So just don't do this. Do not offer us money for promoting any kind of coins or whatever project. So what's gonna happen with Tesla? Call Elon Musk. You know, my friend knows his mother. I probably should talk to him. Please arrange the meeting. Maybe, I don't know, maybe just imagine that. Every Tesla screen has pre-installed algorithm. There's the huge videos where I'm trading inside the Tesla, where I'm like showing the chart inside the Tesla while we are on the Tahoe Lake, or we are going to the Arizona or whatever country or whatever like city we are traveling. Like Tesla screen is like the perfect screen for trading, if you know how to do that, and especially if you know how to use the full screen mode on the Tesla. So yes, just imagine that. How how more people will buy Tesla if we're gonna tell you that from today we are exclusively provided only with Tesla. The great idea. He will pay billions of dollars for that. I'm telling you that. All I need to pitch him here these things. But then he will say, so for the last year you said, how many times you said that the Tesla stock will go lower or higher? Can you please? And that's only in your private group. Yeah, as far as I remember, as far as I understand. So you basically was telling people to buy fucking Tesla on January? On January? Beginning of January? Where it is? Beginning of January? Then the price bumps. Okay, and what about before that? What was happening with the Tesla before that? I don't know why it doesn't go in higher, because I'm pretty sure that we've been posting way more. Or, I know. Give me a second, please. Give me a second. We have the public group, Tesla. Let's go. Whee! For example, okay. For example, yeah, before that we've been using like some kind of stranger things, how to set, but let's find where was the buying points. Again and again, weeks before it happened, like from October, we've been telling people that the price from December will go lower. The price from December, take a look at this. From December till the beginning of January, we said that in October. So it means from October, the price will go higher. You can go and check any kind, like put Starbucks, MicroStrategy, like whatever you're gonna put. We predict the biggest, like, oh my God. That was, you know what I'm gonna ask? My friends, my partners, please, is it possible to do some kind of like, how it was like before, after, when we're giving people the huge candle, like the huge candle on the Nvidia, sell at the end of October, and that's in July. Like since July we've been telling people that Nvidia, sell Nvidia in October, from here we will drop, and then you will find even the 5th of August crash, you will find the every month in autumn, you will find the pumping, the dumping. Just go and do your own research. Because I can talk about this whole day, but I need to start to finish this live stream, because I'm gonna go on the Rodeo Drive and I'm gonna stand with the sign and telling to people, hey guys, yeah, I know it sounds silly, but what if the price will do that? Because you love that content, and thank you for all your support. But if we're gonna go back to the Tesla, we told you sell here, buy here. It's even, look, it's even not there. The price is not there. Why I'm telling you that? Because that will turn around, and if we're gonna go on the daily time frame, this is the mark on the daily time frame. So if I'm gonna do daily buy, you will receive that information. What we need to wait, I think for the next week, probably the price will do something like that on the trading filter. So it means that the price will do something like that, where we could be like easy. The lowest price, I think, will be something like $193. This is not financial advice. Please remember that. I don't give a fuck about your puts and calls and all other your positions. I'm just like, what if the price will be there and you can buy a little bit more? I'm the guy who's bullish all over the world. I'm the guy who's like, yes, please, more, buy more. Only you could decide about selling, buying, or whatever. I'm the guy who will split my budget and I will buy each dip. If we know when the dip will be, it means that we can buy more. About selling right now, because there's too many people who bought Tesla for $400 because, yeah, Dodge, yeah, Trump, and say hi. But I truly believe that he was giving respect to people. I don't think that, no, he's crazy. He's a really crazy person, and he could do that. He could think about that, but still, in my opinion, I will explain you that. Do you remember when the Elon Musk was on the Joe Rogan podcast and he was like, Benjamin, I wanna jam in with you. I shot the sheriff, but I didn't kill no deputy. Oh no. We all know this story. So just tell me, maybe I'm crazy. Hey Johnny, could you please open short position on our stock? Yeah, don't ask. Yeah, I'm in the Joe Rogan podcast. Yeah, see ya. Millions of dollars, billions of dollars, that's it. He fix his stocks and he buy back lower. Why not? Why? Tell me, just like only just because 53 million people following him on the Twitter? When he put in the Scotch picture, when he's putting something like Doge, Reef, or whatever coin. Why not? People are... Who's there? That's fine. All you need to do just took their money. You work hard, you like break your back, you don't see your children, you don't see even the sun because you're working in the some kind of windowless room. And you like, finally vacation. Wow, XRP will go to the moon. Like, can you promise to me that if I'm gonna put all our savings in the Ripple, that I'm gonna be rich in the next couple of hours? You promise to me that, Frank. My wife will kill me and will kill you if it's not gonna happen. Yeah. Okay, I'm calling to them. Hey, Mr. Frank, yeah, I want to withdraw the money from my saving accounts. Yeah, and from 401k, yeah. Yeah, like literally all savings. Yeah, my wife's savings and my children's savings. Like, fucking put that money in the Ripple. Don't call me back. By the way, I know the guy from the Wall Street. Hey, so if I'm gonna invest with you, what kind of... too many people asking me, like literally yesterday the guy sent me like, I'm in $46,000 or $41,000 losses. If I'm gonna follow your private group, how long it will take to return that losses? I don't know. How much money you earn per 1 hour on your job? Double it? Who knows? I'm like, you asking me to what? To give you some kind of information or some kind of like, yeah, you definitely gonna... I like, my team will kill me, but I don't give a fuck about either you're gonna follow, unfollow, do whatever, like using our group, not using our group, if you're listening to me or not. I'm performing my... Can I say that in TikTok? Like, I'm hard right now. Like, only just because I love it. I love your attention. But I cannot make promises like you will make profit. Because if you want to make profit, you should understand what you're doing. If you already in 41k fixed losses, like you realize that losses, you need to understand why you did that kind of mistakes. For example, for me, this is the huge amount of money, but I can make it in 1 day. But I will never, like, treat $100. I will treat $100 the same that I'm treating $1 million because I spent time on that. Right now, I could kiss my beautiful girlfriend. Right now, I can walk down the street, drinking champagne, do whatever I want, but I'm here with you. So if I'm gonna make $100 till the end of this live stream, or Let me check my trades. Oh, what's happening with my trades? Solana not doing well, and I'm in the long position. Give me a second, I will take a look at the Solana right now. I didn't open this position with the help of indicators. Sometimes you opening position with the help of your analysis, and my analysis was wrong. But still, yeah, it looks bad. Solana looks bad. And by the way, the Bitcoin for me right now looks way more better than the Solana. And if I'm gonna talk about the Ethereum, oh yeah, I need to show you that, because that was, all these yellow lines was here on the previous live stream. So the guys, take a look at this. Take a look at this. Let's... that line 1771 was here. I think there is the movie 1771. Oh no, it's 1917. Oh! Hey guys, TikTok, go on the YouTube. That's it. The camera is dead. Go on the YouTube. I will turn it off. I will turn it off. The camera died because I turned on the power only for the YouTube camera, but that's fine with me. I will turn it off. And now that's waiting enough information. 3,000 people been watching this live stream on the TikTok. That's fine with me. We will turn it off. I will turn that off. Everything is good. Everything is perfect. No need to worry about that, because I don't care about that. I'm just gonna put it back. So that mark was here weeks before it happened, and yeah, we still have that marks here. And the bad news for Ethereum, in my opinion, at the beginning of April, we will see price somewhere like $1,500. And again, I'm not telling you to sell right now. I'm telling you just consider to buy more. If you didn't bought here because you was afraid, or you don't have money because you were stupid before you found our channel and you was like, oh yeah, all in. This guy told me to put all my money in this coin and I trust him. He's driving the Ferrari. Why should I didn't trust him? He's living in the big mansion. Ooh, yeah. We should talk more about that. But in the next couple of days, I truly believe that Ethereum will turn around. So probably I will even open the long position right now. As I'm doing this on all live streams, I will open the long position. I will do something like that. And the long position are placed. And give me back Solana, please. Maybe I need to scale my position. Maybe later. So, give me a second, please. You really should understand what you're doing with investments, with trading, with your money. You should understand how it works. We stop on the Nvidia and we've been telling to people, and you will find all this information by watching all our previous video on the YouTube. Yes, the price didn't hit that line. I'm sorry for that. I'm not right all the time, but when you're giving people the movement and the dates, and especially you giving them some kind of additional information as, yeah, the price will definitely be here. And the difference between your entry point and the price where it was is only 2%, but you predict the movement, which was 25, almost 26%. The accuracy in plus minus 2%, I'm sorry, my bad. Please send me your wallets, your bank accounts. I will wire you my apologize with the 3 zeros. But there's not gonna be the number before zeros. There's gonna be only zeros. I think it will be waiting enough. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. If you're gonna go back in 3 weeks before, you will see that that mark was put it here on 21st of February, and then the price moved down till the 4th of March and 12th of March. Yeah. But again and again, that's fine with me. What's gonna happen with the price? The price will go to the correction. In my opinion, we will do something like that. In my opinion, we'll do something. Oh, give me a second. I need to see the daily time frame. Yeah, and then after that, probably we even could go lower. Yeah, we could definitely go way lower. I think that we can take even that liquidity. Yeah, that's not financial advice. Netflix, the same thing, the same shit. All these marks was here 3 weeks ago. I'm sorry that I'm not doing this way more often about the stock market. I'm sorry that I'm not analyzing all your shit coins or whatever coin you are holding or interested in that. I'm not a restaurant. You cannot make orders here. You know, for example, I love Backstreet Boys. I love Britney Spears. I love Madonna. I love like almost all music in the world, from house, deep house, electrical music to something like classic music. And if I'm going on the concert, for example, like my favorite group is Muse. This is the rock band. So if I'm on the concert of the Muse and they forget to sing my favorite song, yeah, I could scream as much as my throat will handle. Hey! Supermassive black hole, please! And then, after the concert, I will go back to the hotel room or go back to my city, or even if they're gonna like make the concert here in LA, I will go back home and I was telling like, yeah, the concert was great, but still I was hoping, I was waiting, I was like praying for the Black Holes song. I probably wouldn't unlike the music. I'm not following this guy, Matthew, or how his name. And I wouldn't be upset, because why should he? This is not the private concert. This is not the private consultation. Too many people texting me like this, silliest, stupidest questions in the world, and I'm telling them no personal advices. If you want to get our vision about your trade, about your portfolio, about whatever, pay us. It will cost you $5,000. Yeah, probably for 1 hour talk. Or we can talk in the commission. That's it. But we will never do something like, hey guys, just give me the calls, give me the signals, and when and if I'm gonna do profit, I will send you money. No, please skip it. Leave it for your kids. Again and again, this is the nice fairy tale. Disney will someday make the movie about that. And probably the black person will play the princess. I don't care about, like, sorry, no offense about the colors of the, but if the fairy tale was about, for example, you know, all these jokes on the Facebook that if the Netflix will ever shoot the film about Elon Musk, the Kevin Hart will play the main role. This is silly. I'm the Lord of the Rings fan. There is no dark skin elves. The Tolkien is literally turning upside down in the grave. Like, no, it's not like that. People are going crazy with all these things. So if you are asking us to do something, you should really work hard to get our attention. And I know that some people are texting right now in the comments, and thank you for comments. It's helping us. Really, if literally like every person right now will press the like button, subscribe on this channel, and will put any kind of comment after the live stream will be finished, the algorithm will show this video to the more people. That's how it works. And I will spend way more time. Like it's literally 2 hours in the row of talking to you about that. And we move into the new apartment. I'm gonna have the huge room where I'm not gonna need to put cameras back. I'm just gonna press the button and I will do everyday live streams for people because I have what to say. I have what to show to people. The market changing every day. It's literally giving you opportunity to earn money, to make profit every fucking day. Think about it that. The Netflix, yeah, we said like sell here, buy here. This is the daily time frame buying. But if we're gonna consider to buy right now, somewhere like maybe in the next couple of days, just wait until 21st of March. So what do you need to wait while that filter will be in the lower part? Like buy here, you see? Buy in here, sell in here. That's the movement. Then the movement will be here, here, or something like that. Who cares? I'm not buying Netflix. The same thing with the Microsoft. So we've been talking about the downtrend here, then the back up, the pumping. So price go down, go up, go down again, go up again. So what I'm showing you with that kind of like drawings, the movement down, up, down, up, down. What we have? Down, up, down, up. What's gonna happen next? Yes, the price should go lower, but I don't think that we will break through that level, only just because I really don't think that we will go lower than $378. So it means that the price should finish that move, and when that filter will be here, the price will go up. And it's definitely gonna be maybe even the huge movement. But if I ever gonna buy and sell that assets, I will definitely gonna wait either till May or till July. Yeah, I think in summer it will be way more better. But if I'm gonna do long-term investments, I'm gonna use the higher time frame, and it means that I can use the higher time frame with every assets, but not today. So it means that I need to wait while that filter will turn around. So if for example, I have that filter, I have that bottom which shows me like the June is the perfect buying point on the weekly time frame. The daily time frame showing me like that the same June will be at the beginning of June. We're not talking about the whole June. Right now we have the more accurate date, like the beginning of June. And another buying point is the end of March. So if I have $100, I'm splitting them on the half, and I'm putting half of $100, it's $50 at the end of March, and the other half I will stick till the beginning of May. Why? Because the weekly time frame shows us that we need to wait a little bit more, And again and again on the lower time frame, for example, the 4-hour time frame, it shows us here buy, buy, and buy. So if I were you and I will be interested in the Microsoft stock, I will literally gonna buy today. Like you cannot buy today because the stock market are closing, but in a few hours it will be opened and you can buy, but you need to wait while it's gonna be in the lowest part of the chart. So like that week, then the second week of May and the first week of June. That's where probably you should consider to invest in the Microsoft. And then after that, like how it will look, we will give you like the entry points, we will give you like the percent of where you need to put your money. This is not financial advice, this is going to be like the small talk about the market. And I will hold that asset probably till 2027, 2028. Yeah, in my opinion, the Microsoft will pump way more, especially if they're gonna like invent and drop the quantum computer. But who knows? Who cares? I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen with the nuclear war or whatever war. The meta, the same thing. We've been telling you since 21st that the price will go lower and lower, lower and lower. And right now the price will go even lower. Because the first thing first, you should understand, we are in the bearish structure. This structure is so fucking bearish that I don't believe that we will go higher any time sooner than the beginning of April. So if we're gonna talk about where should you consider to buy, I will wait for probably 500 something dollars. I'm not telling about 580 or 90 or 99. No, I'm telling you like 515, 555, like somewhere there. So that's why you should like go on the lower time frame, probably on the 15-minute time frame. You should find the lowest low on the daily time frame and the weekly time frame and something like that. So when we've been putting all these marks here and been telling you that the price will go lower again and again, go back on the 3 video, find the video which was made 21st of February, and you will see how this guy been talking about and showing you. And I need like 1 second to take a look at the chart. That's it. That's it. Amazon and Apple will be the last. Amazon, we've been telling to you sell here. Exactly the date of the live stream. I cannot tell people, hey guys, sell here. Because why should I? If the live stream was on 21st, then I would telling people like, hey, sell today, but because the price will go lower. And then I put that kind of yellow line that the price will go lower till the middle of March. So we will have one more, maybe small movement. I don't really believe that we will go lower than that price, but something like just took the liquidity and pumping back. It's really possible for Amazon stocks like that. You see that shadow here? Yeah, it's definitely it could happen. It's definitely, especially on 23rd of March and the first week of April. I don't know what they're gonna prepare for us. I don't know what they're gonna tell to people like, oh my god, the aliens are here. We've been waiting for them since 1945 and they are finally here. So meet the first invaders from the space. What's your name?
Bodan.
Oh no, this is not invaders, this is the refugee from Ukraine. Sorry for that. He was so fucking drunk, so we think that he is the alien. No, guys. I don't care what they're gonna say to you. You care. I'm not. So I wouldn't even move these marks. Why should I? And the last one, Apple. So the sell was not 21st. The sell was 24th. And you will find this. Go back to 21st. So it was like easy. The mark was here. Oh no, it's 21st. Sorry for that. Sorry, I think that 24th was here. Yeah, sorry. You sell it a little bit earlier. The price could go on the 2% higher. Sorry for that. My bad. Yeah. 2% movement, it's like the huge movement comparing to 16%. But who knows? And the first buying point was only here. Yeah, I'm sorry for that too. It was like 8%. But if I'm gonna put more, just wait until March. Yeah, sometimes we're doing mistakes. Yeah, and you buy like too early, but you was holding for 250, then you buy or bought for 235. We still have that market. I don't know what kind of market it is. Maybe that one. Who knows? Who cares? I don't know. I'm tired. Really, 2 hours of talking. I'm gonna close my laptop. It's finished for today. I'm turning everything on, off. Sorry. You see, I'm starting like glitching. So, what do we learn today, my friends? Do not rush. Do not believe in news. Yes, this guy in the profit right now. Yes, maybe I was wrong. But let's see where it's gonna put people and when we're gonna receive the news from the cryptocurrency exchange at how many long and short positions were liquidated. That's what's interesting for me. I'm still in long position for the Bitcoin. I'm in long position for the Ethereum, for Solana, for a few meme coins. I'm doing this every day. I'm doing short position, long position. Some of them are discussed on the live streams for Ukrainian people. Some of them are discussed on the live streams for English group. I'm trying to be inside the market. I'm trying to consume as much information as I could. I'm trying to filter that information because sometimes they put in people in the wrong direction. Nobody give a fuck about your profits. Like, you already earned the money. You know, when I'm telling myself like, hey, I wouldn't get that car, I'm just gonna put the money in the market and I will do the profit and I will fix that and this car gonna be free for me. Sometimes I'm going in the non-realized losses for a few months. Sometimes when I'm dreaming of, for example, the new jacket, the new motorcycle, the new watch or whatever, I'm stopping myself from buying some kind of like material goods for me or for my family or for my girlfriend. She's my family, by the way. When I'm stopping myself from the dreams, for example, right now, I'm dreaming of the camera. It cost $40,000. It's crazy. I don't need camera for $40,000. I even don't know how to use it, but this is my passion, my dream. I want to do that. So what I'm telling myself, like, hey, you already, for example, put in this savings $10,000. I'm start telling myself, I'm going to put it back to the market. I'm going to double it. Or I'm going to like make X4 profit. And after that, I'm going to buy this camera. Sometimes this after that I'm going to buy took too long time. Maybe half year, maybe in a year. I don't know. I will tell you when I'm going to buy the perfect cinema camera, like the best camera. The Dune was shoot on this camera. I dream about this camera. The same as I dream about the new car, the new watch, the new boots or whatever. We all have our dreams. And we need something. Like there is the dreams, there is the needs. Someone need food. Someone need to cure his friend, kid, parents, himself. Someone like me need psychologist. Like, yeah, we all have our needs. We all have our doubts, our thoughts. The main thing that are holding us together is the energy. How do you feel about what I'm saying? How do you feel when I'm telling about like, yeah, there is the stupid people. There is like people who's fully trusted to everyone and they're giving their money on the left, on the right. Like just literally don't try to think about it. There is people who's always afraid, who is always like, no, I will wait more. I will wait more. I will wait more. How many more days, weeks, months you gonna wait? Like, if you already have opinion, if you already decide to buy any assets for any price, just do that. The Nike, just do it. Yes, this is the slogan. We always changing our opinions. We always changing something that we already decide. Either it's the relationship or the city where we are living, or it's maybe even the university where I want to go, or I want to be painter, I want to be singer, I want to be dancer, I want to do OnlyFans or whatever. That's fine. You are fine. Everything fine with you. Everything fine with your life. Just smile. Take a deep breath. Drink water. That's it. Spend time with your family. Spend time with someone else. That's not about the money. Money rules. Money helps. Money give you opportunity to choose. That's what you should like. That's the passion from inside. But if you're not the money guy, if you're not the money girl, if you want to be like housewife, if you want to raise children, if you want to live in the forest or whatever you want to do, just do what you dream about. Just do what you are passionate about. No matter what it is, it's not about the Bitcoin. It's not about the stock market. It's about how you feel yourself. Take a look at this. I can spend 10 more hours here if the camera wouldn't die. I can be here like whole day joking, making some funny stories, telling you, or like trying to do some kind of improvisation. I don't need script. I don't need team. I don't need anything. All I need is someone who will listen to me. Not many people know that I'm, by the way, a little bit writer. I have my book. And I was writing about my feelings, about the love, about how was my relationship with my father. And thousands and thousands of people been reading this, because not everyone feel the same butterflies in the stomach, or like not everyone like holding their breath when they're hearing about the money, Bitcoin, trading, investments. But when we're talking about parents, when we're talking about the love, hurts, when we listen to the music, for example, when we're watching the films, we all feel the same. We all been there. We've been afraid. We've been terrified. We've been happy. We cry. We kiss. We do whatever we do. Sometimes life is not as we wish. But be honest to yourself. If you hate your job, if you hate your body, like that's fine. I'm body positive, like totally, because I'm body positive. I'm body positive to your body. I don't give a fuck either you're like the size of the washer dryer machine. I don't care about that. Either your parents or your husband or your wife call you refrigerator or like whatever huge thing, walk-in closet. I'm body positive to your body. But if you cannot go upstairs on 23rd floor, or you cannot run for 40 minutes, or you cannot fuck for 30 minutes, not laying down on the back for 30 minutes, like, that's not the best life. Because you're not always being that kind of person. I'm not always being that kind of rude person, honest person. People made me that. I'm defensive person. This is like the screen is my barrier between us. Not me watching or listening to you. Yes, there is the billionaires, there is the trillionaires, there is the people who's doing like any kind of content, and we consuming that. Statham, really cool guy, but who knows him in the real life? On the TV, we are all good guys. Here's the cinema camera. I can do whatever I want, and I'm gonna promote that. I will film like I'm the perfect. Yes, I saved these children. Do you know 9/11? I saved the building. Like, who cares about the story? They trying to put information in your head. Think twice. Ask twice. Yeah, I know that too many people texted me, hey, could you provide some kind of education in Italian language? I was like, why Italian? Like, the best country in the world is Italy. Like, oh my God, I love it. The language, the food, the wine. I literally yesterday just like consumed the whole bottle of Montepulciani, the perfect wine for me. Sì, certo questa la sua macchina. 2 giorni sarà preparate. Once I was playing the Italian mechanic in the theater back in Ukraine. Do what you are passionate at. Yeah, you can ask me anything, but I will block you. We're not friends. When I'm watching the movie and the main guy or the main character, for example, the Oscar movie Anora, I'm watching her story and I'm feeling her. I'm worried about her. I'm telling to them like, hey, stop doing this. Or I'm watching the football game. I'm screaming on the players. I'm crying when they are winning, or I'm like, oh my God, you fucking idiots when they are losing. I'm not that kind of person. I don't care about the sport games or whatever. I'm not watching the games. Why should I watch like multi-millionaires earning money from that? Why should I? What I will get from that? Endorphin? Dopamine? Or I'm betting. For example, I have a friend in New York. He's always betting on the NBA. He's always betting. Yeah, that kind of something that give you way more interest of watching the game, but I'm not that kind of person and I'm not judging him. This is the perfect business, the gaming business. When I'm watching, when I'm listening, for example, my friend telling me his story about his relationship, or he's living not the best moment in his life, he's worried about that, or he's like, he lost someone, or like whatever. I'm feeling empathy to the person. I'm feeling empathy to the story, to the characters inside the story. But it doesn't mean that I'm gonna live this story. That's not my story. We are all egoistic persons. I'm not Mother Teresa. And by the way, Google her. You don't want to be Mother Teresa. There is no perfect people. There is no, even if you're a fan of someone, like you are going mad when you see, I don't know, Dan Bilzerian, Timothy Chalamet, or whatever, who you're following in your Instagram. Don't build the Соня, як буде образ? Image of the person. The same with the God. Don't build his image. It's all here. It's all here. You don't need to dream about meeting him. That's it. We all have different way. We all have a different... Як буде доля? Fate. Yeah, my brain starts to hurt. So I'm telling you thank you. I'm wishing you all the best. Think about it. Watch previous video. Follow every link in the description. You will find way more information. We are the team from Ukraine. We are doing money. We're showing people how to do the same. Do not rush. Try to understand. We're spending our time. Either you watching the new TV series on the Netflix or HBO, or you finding additional time and trying to consume our information. If you want to have education from us, we can provide that, but it will be too expensive. You know why? Because when we gave you the fishing rod, you wouldn't come to see how we are fishing. You will go somewhere else and start fishing by your own. Think about it. And again, there is two kinds of ships, but only one are free. I literally love this phrase. I don't know how it appears in my brain, but still. Don't be the fucking cute white sheep. Be the big, huge, like 400 feet. Bye, take care.